Hello everyone, welcome to Unofficial Design. A couple weeks ago, I talked about how to create a disco ball. Today, I'm gonna introduce a different but faster way. Let's get started. First of all, we create a new composition in After Effects. Dimensions 1920 by 1080 pixels. We add a solid background. Color does not really matter. Search for fractal noise, apply, and change noise type to block. Change complexity to 1. Hold Alt or Option and click the stopwatch next to evolution. We add an expression time multiplied by 200. Finally, we create an adjustment layer, add glow effect, and radio faster blur effect. Here we are, we made a disco ball background. If you want to turn it into a disco ball, add some color gradients and apply CC sphere effect. Hope you like this video. I will see you next time.